Watch as I turn all of this into hours of entertainment for my two toddlers. This is a small bounce house with a slide, with it measuring just shy of 6 feet wide, 8.5 feet long, and just a little over 8 feet tall. This is the perfect size to blow up both indoors and outdoors. I'm absolutely obsessed with the solid white color, and you'd be surprised how fast you can set it up. It comes with this fast inflating blower that keeps it nice and inflated, and with minutes, it is all set up ready to go. My kids absolutely love when we pull this thing out. They have so much fun jumping on the inside and sliding in and out. It even has spots to put balloons on the top, which makes this perfect for any party or occasion. It also comes with the perfect size tarp to put under it to protect it from getting dirty. And the materials are really impressive. We haven't had any issues with rips or tears, and it's very easy to clean. It's also super easy to deflate. All you do is unplug the blower, fold it. It comes with a carrying bag, and it's so fast and easy to fold up, and then you can store it for the next party. If you are looking for the perfect size bounce house for young kids, this one's awesome. It's totally adorable. Well worth the money.